Howdy y'all, I'm Purdy Jenkins, and today we're gonna teach you how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. But you ain't gonna like it. But you're not gonna like it. Go away. All you gotta do is upload a 24-hour video of you sleeping. Oh yeah, because people wanna watch you snore all day. Hey, some people like that relaxing ASMR stuff. Come on now. And if that doesn't work, you can always stream yourself watching paint dries. Yeah. Oh, thrilling. I can already see the views rolling in. Or, and hear me out, you could post a video of you counting to 1 million. Just imagine folks hanging around to see if you could actually make it. I mean, you might not even be able to count to threes, let alone anything higher, like 5 or 91. Yeah, imagine that. They'll probably bail out at like 999,999. Or you could, you could film yourself watching your own videos and subscribing to your own stuff and liking it. Over and over and over and over is a game. Watch yourself watching yourself? Yeah, that's peak content right there. But really, folks, taking 4,000 watch hours and getting those 1,000 subscribers, it takes hard work, a lot of dedication, and a lot of sucking up to the YouTube algorithm because she wants things a certain way. And if views even goes a little bit outside them boundaries, she pushes your video down to the depths of the earth, so far down that not even an ancient sea creature could find it. There ain't no shortcuts here in YouTubeville or Purdyville. Yup, no watching paint dry, unless you're into that sort of thing. So if you're ready to put in the time, produce great content, and maybe even film a sleep marathon or 9 or 7, you'll get there straight to the top. But don't blame us if you end up counting sheep. Now press on that like button with your finger, please, and subscribe. And get these watch hours. Catch you later, folks.